just blew it. What I'm gonna do is get my I'm getting a lot of trash and stuff growing on it, so like 4 more blocks. One thing I have to say is if I get another wire, but another way, yeah, what it is. Go home and order that. See if we find that online. Everything back like factory, besides the sheet metal that I cut. Cut this sheetrock right here. Just look like where they hitting at, where they stood at. So train line ain't going back where it's supposed to be. It's gonna be side now. I'm in the right spot. I'm cutting the nub out. Should have did. I'm gonna cut it down. There's a stud here. Bring no water lines in from the side. Same way I'm about to do that one. Bring them in from the side.